Enterprises stopped by earlier this week to talk one of your home's most important features, windows. Plus, you'll learn about a special promo they have running right now. Take a look. Windows not only improve the look of your home, but also the energy efficiency of your home. And here to tell us all about what Tri-County Enterprises offers is President and co-owner Brandon Peters. Hello.
Hi.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Well, let's remind everybody of Tri-County's history and in the community.
Sure. Well, we've been here since 1997. This is our 28th year in business. We primarily do exterior remodeling, anything from roofing, siding, windows, what we're going to talk about today. We also do decking and kind of outdoor living.
Yes. As I am getting older, I get more interested in things that I never thought I'd be interested in, like windows.
Yes.
Windows are they make the home.
That's right.
So tell us what Tri-County offers.
Sure. Well, what brought today is our vinyl window line. So we have not only boring white windows, you can get now dark black colors, wood grain colors. They're very energy efficient. The fun thing about our brand is they're self-cleaning glass. So it uses the power of the sun to biodegrade the dirt and organic materials. Yeah, it's cool.
That is
and then,
cool.
They just rinse off.
Huh.
Yeah, pretty neat.
Dog noses or?
Well, it's going to be on the outside.
On the outside, okay. And what about, you save money when you have good windows because of the energy efficiency.
Absolutely. In the summer, your home is going to stay cooler, and in the winter, it's going to stay warmer. It keeps that separation from the outdoors from the indoors.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do we have here?
So what I brought here today is just an example of our window. We have specially made windows, so every one has foam inside the frame, so it's going to even be more energy efficient. And then you've got the layers of glass and the separator between the glass that just makes them absolutely energy efficient.
Yes.
Yeah.
And everybody loves a DIY project, but sometimes there are downfalls to them.
Windows are not necessarily DIY. It starts at the beginning when you're ordering windows. Windows are made for the opening. So precise measurements, know exactly how that window is going to fit is going to be the start. And then just the installation of it. We want to make sure that it's installed correctly, it's insulated correctly, and then keeps the water outside, doesn't leak inside. So yeah, it's very important to get a professional to do your windows.
And about how long does it take?
Typically, you know, we can typically get like 5 to 10 windows done per day. So a lot of houses, that means the whole house gets done in one day.
Yes. What are some of the top brands?
We carry Climate Solutions and Lindsay are our top. And when we get into wood and fiberglass windows, we move on to Marvin windows.
Marvin windows, okay.
Yeah.
And can you come see these windows in your...
You can. Come to our showroom at 5527 Crane Lane, Northeast, or visit our website and you can look at our gallery at tricounty-iowa.com.
And there's a special offer.
We do. Right now, if you buy 3 windows, you get the 4th window free.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, do you just go online and is there a promo code or you just...
You just sign up with us. We're going to run that right now to the end of the year. So get on our schedule for either the winter or the spring. We can install windows all year round, so no reason to wait.
So it's not really a summer, spring, fall project. You can do it in the winter too.
We can do it all year round.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.